Hey folks, mortgage interest rates are one of the biggest thermostats for real estate, especially in places like Ridgefield and across Fairfield County, where incomes are strong, but home prices can be higher than average. In this video, I want to explain what today's rate environment is doing to buyer demand, pricing power, and seller behavior. And then we're going to connect it to what we typically see next as rates move over the coming months. If you're looking to buy or sell in Richfield or anywhere in Fairfield County, you need to understand one thing. Rates don't just change monthly payments. They also change buyer psychology, inventory, and negotiating power. So today I'm breaking it down exactly how rates are affecting the market right now and what it likely means for the rest of the year in Richfield and Fairfield County. And we'll keep it practical because the goal isn't to predict the future. Heck, nobody can do that. The goal is to help you make a smarter move based on what rates are already doing. So, first, let's ground this in reality. Nationally, the benchmark 30-year mortgage rate is hovering around mid 6% range. Now, according to Freddie Mac's weekly survey, and it's recently been improving at certain points in the year. Now, when the 30-year rate dips, buyers feel it immediately. Not because they suddenly get rich, but because payments become visibly more achievable and lenders compete a little bit more. Even Freddie Mac has pointed out that rate declines can improve housing activity and pull more buyers off the sidelines, including both purchase demand and refinance demand. Here's what that looks like locally. In Fairfield County, where many buyers are moving for the schools, the commute, the lifestyle, or just relocating to the area, rates influence three key things. Buyer qualification tightens. Higher rates mean you can borrow less for the same income. So some buyers get priced down into different price tiers. Two, decision timing changes. When rates are dropping, you see a little more competition because buyers want to rush to lock in. When rates bounce back up, you see maybe a little more hesitation. And three, starter home demand can cool while move up demand stays strategic. Buyers who have sold a prior home or who have equity to deploy can still buy, even if rates are not amazing. So if you've been feeling like the market is moving but slowly, that's often exactly what it is. Mortgage rates can determine who can move today versus who waits. Now let's talk sellers because this is where most people get surprised. When rates are high or volatile, sellers often do one of two things. They stay put longer if they have an older, low rate mortgage and don't want to give it up, or they're going to test the market with pricing that assumes buyers will figure it out, which can create a short term slowdown in showings. But when rates improve, like we've seen when the national benchmark has moved lower, more homeowners become willing to list and buyers gain some leverage back. Now, that can mean more choice for buyers, and for sellers, it usually means you win by being positioned correctly rather than hoping buyers accept higher payments. So, what about future market conditions in Richfield and Fairfield County? In most cycles, the pattern looks like this. If rates trend down or stabilize, you typically get more activity, more listings, more offers, and faster decision making. If rates rebound or become uncertain again, you often see a little bit slower market negotiations and more price adjustments based on days on market. Here's a pro tip. Rates don't have to be perfect, they just need to be stable long enough or improve enough that buyers stop waiting and start competing. If you want a clear local game plan, I can help you answer two questions. What price and terms make sense given today's rate reality? And two, what strategy gets you the best odds in Richfield and Fairfield County right now? I want you to go to timdentteam.com to see current market insights and to book a consult with either myself or one of my team members. I also want you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you can get insights on the Ridgefield, Connecticut market, Fairfield County housing, market trends, and strategies for you to help sell your home. Folks, I'm Tim Dent. This channel is here for you to help you make confident real estate decisions. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.